Hi, my name is Amit. I'm on a mission of making AI simple. In last episode, we have talked about a min-max scaling approach, which comes under normalization technique of feature transformation. In this episode, we are going to discuss other three techniques of normalization. Let me show you. So another technique is mean normalization. You just take the actual value, minus it by x mean, and then divide it by max and x min. Once you transform this whole data, then the values will be in range of -1 to 1. This is used whenever the algorithm requires a centered data. Another technique is max absolute scaling. For the new value, you divide it by the absolute value of the x max. This is used whenever there is a sparsity in your data. Sparsity is basically a lot of zeros are there in the input data. Then you go with this kind of normalization technique. Another is robust scaling. This is kind of important. What you do, you subtract it with the x median and then divided by IQR. IQR is basically 75th percentile minus 25th percentile. So suppose this is your data and 25th percent of the data is still here and 75th percent of the data is still here. So what is these points? 10 and 4. So that's how 10 minus 4 equal to 6. How it helps for the outlier? IQR is focusing only on this middle 50% of the data. It is rejecting these points, and outliers are basically residing at these places generally. So that's how this robust scaling helps with the outlier.